Good morning, lovelies. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. I wanted to jump on here quickly because I haven't done a ton of lives or other videos because I want you all to have opportunities to get in on the August giveaway, which is for the Extra Last Eye Pencil in Black, my go-to, and the Eyebrow and Lash Serum, which is fantastic, as well as a $25 Betty Jane Boutique gift card. So all you have to do to get in on it is just like and share the video and then comment shared so I know it was you and I'll enter you. Super easy, right? So for today's look, I did something a little different. Now I've had this for a while, but I just love the VFX Pro and the Stay Matte a lot, but I thought I'd give it a go since I have it. So I tried the CC cream for my foundation today. This is a light coverage, color correcting. It's beautiful. You can build this. Like I said, it's light coverage, so I did my normal 2 drops. And I think it covered really well, but like if you wanted more coverage, you can totally build this. I would say offhand, I don't think it covered my dark circles as well as the VFX Pro does, but that's what a concealer is for, right? So I'll let you all know what I think of it throughout the day, kind of how it wears and whatnot. So CC cream. For my eyes, I did the Mono Shadow Baby Cakes for that light pink kind of all over. And then I grabbed the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette, and I did colors, Thanks, It's New for like that V and that kind of dark shade on my lid, and then the Just Perfect to smoke up that outer corner a little bit more. And then I used the Thanks, It's New under here to smoke out under here, as well as Baby Cakes. And then the Extra Last in white and the Extra Last in metallic dark green to smoke out that lower lash line. Of course, Zen mascara. And then for my lippies, I did lip liner 201, which is just a nice kind of neutral pink undertone color. And then I topped it with the matte liquid lip 203 Au Naturel. So that's my look for today. Don't forget to like and share. Remember to be kind to yourself and to be kind to others. And we'll see you next time. Bye.